See how to recycle old pots creatively there in your home, and with this creativity we'll make the objects of our day more beautiful. One of the main ways to recycle old pots, for example, is to transform them into potted plants, which will leave your home with a green design that is very important today. They can also be painted with spray paint and decorate several environments of your home. You can decorate even the walls. In the bathroom to store objects, I'm sure you must have some old pot in your house. How about transforming it with creativity? If you love to recycle, comment down here about these recycled pans, and tell me which of the pans you liked best, and also tell me, where are you from, so I can get to know you more. If you liked this video, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. If you are not registered yet, I'll see you in the next video.